I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs over hard full guide. Grab a non-stick skillet, a tablespoon of butter or oil, and 2 fresh eggs, then warm the pan over medium-low heat. Crack eggs gently into a small bowl to avoid shells and add them to the skillet. Cook whites until nearly set, then flip carefully and cook until yolks are fully firm and cooked through. Start by gathering your tools and ingredients so the process flows smoothly. Use a 10 to 12-inch nonstick skillet and a flexible spatula for gentle flipping. Keep butter or oil ready and a small bowl to crack eggs into, which helps avoid shells. Set heat to medium-low and let the pan warm a minute. This setup prevents rushing and helps you cook each egg evenly without tearing the whites. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and automatic cleaning so you spend less time sweeping and more time cooking. It feels like having a tidy kitchen assistant after breakfast. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat the skillet to medium-low, add butter, and let it foam but not burn. Slide the eggs in from the bowl, spacing them apart, and let whites set until edges are firm and centers show no runny film. Slide a thin spatula beneath and flip with confidence, supporting the egg if necessary. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until yolks are firm, season to taste, and serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.